It's the drawing show. It's the drawing show.
Good morning, all you drawing people, all you drawing show people. I want to tell you a little story this morning about a young man who loved to draw, but he hated school. And so after high school, he took a year off from going to college, and that turned into 2 years. And he went to a community college, and he decided that he wanted to go through the art program. And he made a decision that he didn't want to make any strong connections with anybody. He didn't want to start any new friendships with people in school. He wasn't mean to anybody, he just didn't want to. I don't know what he wanted to do. I don't know what his plan was for that. He just thought that that was good and that made sense to him. But he was nice to everybody. He was friendly with people, and he made friendships that only took place in school and never branched out to anything besides that. And so his connections were very shallow. So fast forward 10 plus years after that, and he doesn't work in any sort of creative field, but he's rekindled his desire to draw and be creative, and now he knows no one. Not many people who are into the same thing that he is into. Versus when he was in school and he was surrounded by people that were thinking the same way that he was about creative things and learning how to draw and learning how to paint and getting better at these things. And he's realized that he's missed out on an aspect of school that is inherent and comes naturally, that you've surrounded yourself with people who do the same things that you do and help you and motivate you and push you. And now you're doing those things again, but you don't have those people who can help you and motivate you and push you forward in what you're doing. So how do you get that back? Well, first of all, I would say for those of you who are going into school, going into college, or going into an art school, is get to know the people around you. Get to know the people who are doing the same thing that you're doing, that love art, that love to draw. And don't just treat them like your peers. Don't just treat them like this is a box that they're in, and I'm going to keep them in that box, and I'll be friendly and talk to them when I'm around them at school. Open up to people. Be friends with them. Get to know them. And don't be afraid of starting new, longer lasting friendships. Obviously, you shouldn't be treating friendships just as something that you can get out of it, but also think about it in a way of what can you bring to the table? How can you help other people around you? And don't be so selfish. Like the young man in my story, which is purely just a fictional story, and it's not about anybody that I know, and it's definitely not about me. So why do you keep saying that it's about me? Because it's not. It is actually. It's about me. And so so let's say you're in the same boat. You you've squandered your college years, your art school years of making longer lasting friendships with people, and now you don't really know anybody who's into creative things or who likes to draw, whatever it is. How how do you go about meeting those people and making those connections uh, when you're a little bit older? I don't really know. um, I'm actually kind of in the middle of this right now. What I'm thinking is maybe going to an art class. Go to an art class that's put on by uh, a college near you, or you've got a cultural center or something near you. Go do that. Go talk to people over there. Um, if you're out and about, you see somebody drawing, go up and talk to them. Say, hey, I like to draw too. Um, what's your deal? I don't really know. I also can't really talk too much on that because I haven't done that yet. But maybe we should go do that. So let's do that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Go make a new friend today because that's what this is all about. Okay, see ya.